Home is where the heart is. Wonderful for family living and great entertaining spaces. Built by Tommy Luke, so you know the quality and details are top rated. Some home highlight features include hardwood floors throughout, 2 first-floor bedrooms, a chef's delight kitchen with an abundance of quartz counters, low maintenance, and elegant cabinetry. The master suite has a tray ceiling and access to the screened-in porch, custom blinds on all windows as well as electric roll-down blackout shades in the study and 2 bedrooms. All ceiling lights have 22 ear bulbs. There is a closet for the electronics including surround sound equipment, woofers and ceiling speakers, whole house humidifier under house and some storage areas, whole house water filtration system, no salt needed, generator conveys. The open concept floor plan and sun-filled rooms create a joyful atmosphere. The park-like and private setting, west/forever green space, highlight the outdoor living spaces including the Trex deck.